For unedited self-expression lang. Iba yun sa Facebook ni Mimi. Website yun. Nandoon po ang pwede kayo maglagay doon ng blog, any comment, or suggestion tungkol sa Forever Young. Yung gustong, those who would like to apply as member of the Forever Young, you can apply online. Meron po tayo doon sa online ng application for membership. Yung pong newsletter natin, na Forever Young Journal, naka-online na rin. Nandoon ang front page, yung picture of the month natin, yung samot-samot, tsaka people places. Doon yung mababasa sa online. And that is, ginagawa po namin yan na mga direktor at mga officer ang continuing upgrading to keep up with our quality standard. Yun. Yun yan. May 10. O diyan, huwag ka mawawala ron. May 10 yun.
Kamalinig.
Baka makakalimutan na rin diyan. And ang susunod po doon sa May 10 is May 17, ang Philcanes ni Madam Perla de Peralta. May 24, yun po ang Philbets nila Mr. Salanga. Sa Capri po yun, May 24. Yung Philbets, sa Capri, huwag kayong mawawala ron. And then May 31st, yung Filipino Zodiac Circle ni Ching Hipon. Sa Capri rin, di ba? Induction ng officer. Paano yun? Dalawa yung Vice President yung i-induct.
Police community.
Ha? Sa police ba? Police po, nagkamali ako. Sa Police Community Center ang induction ng Filipino Zodiac Circle. Meron pa ba?
Alis ka na dyan.
Ako po ang inyong best friend forever.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Now we are going to have a toast, which is our highlight in this event. You notice that in your tables, you have the shooter, and we will use that for our birthday toast. Get ready, birthday celebrant. As I call your name, please come forward to be recognized. Ito, Mr. Eladio Estrada, please come forward. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Betty Gaprosinia Costignano. Elena Manyo. Agnes Andiao. Feliciano Sobredo. Julianita Murphy. Crescencia Martin. Felisa Anagradaran. Marcidan. Nele Avila Jimena.
Dapat hindi ko magbibigay.
Remedios Lukban. Tessie Ocampo. And Mila. Special part of the celebration, Mr. President Romy will propose a birthday toast.
Before proposing a toast, I want to acknowledge and thank the presence of a beautiful lady who is seeking your support and running as MLA for Langara Riding, Alice Duke. Thank you. And now, will everybody please rise for our birthday toast. Ladies and gentlemen, for the good health, prosperity, and good fortune of our birthday celebrant, cheers! Mabuhay! Happy birthday!
Birthday celebrant, please grab your partner and dance.